Hello. I want to share one of the simplest prompt engineering techniques, which will significantly improve the quality and accuracy of ChatGPT's answers. So, if you feel the quality of the answers is about 50% right now, this will make it 80%. And this also works for other LLMs like Google's Gemini. All you have to do is to prefix your prompt with the phrase, think step by step. And that's it. That's all there is. The answer quality goes straight up. Now, let's take an example. Let us ask ChatGPT, and this model is GPT-4o, how many O's are there in the word xylophone? It says one, which is wrong. You can see that there are two. So let's use our simple prompt engineering technique and ask, think step by step. How many O's are there in the word xylophone? You can see that this time it is thinking through logically and then answering. And there you go. The answer is two, which is correct. Turns out, just like humans, when we let AI think and analyze before answering, it gives better answers. OpenAI has released a new class of reasoning models. And what makes them special is that they practice taking time to think before answering. And we just did that too. Thank you. Consider subscribing.